report from our senior crime reporter Malik Mohammad Imran. In the various parts of the city, Lahore police conducted effective operation resulting in the arrest of numerous criminal elements. The operation carried out by various police stations and checkpoints not only lead to the apprehension of robbery gang and motorcycle theft but also timely protection of children from attempt of abduction and abuse. Ghaziabad police arrested the two members Shabir Elia Shabira dacoit gang, including the gang leader Shabir Elia Shabira and his accomplice Abdul Qayyum. The suspects were found in possession of 5 motorcycles, cash, 2 pistols and bullets. The suspect confessed to committing crimes at gunpoint in Ghaziabad. The arrested suspects were wanted in multiple cases. Additionally, Nadabad checkpoint police responding to another call on 15 promptly acted to arrest a suspect named Afzal Ilyas Shalu, who attempted to assault a 7-year-old girl. The suspect tried to lure the girl to his vacant house. A case was registered on the complaint of the girl's father, Muhammad Akram. Ghana police responding to a call on the emergency helpline 15 promptly took an action in Zahoor town, arresting a suspect attempting to assault a 9-year-old boy named Faizan. The boy's father arrived at the scene upon hearing the noise, causing the suspect to flee. However, the police pursued and arrested the suspect Zafar, who was charged and handed over to the gender service. Meanwhile, Punjab Society checkpoint police in Sadhu Gatla also arrested a motorcycle theft gang. Members of this gang, Abbas Ali and Muhammad Amin, admitted to committing crimes in Sadhu Gatla, Greentown and other areas. The suspects were found with 3 motorcycles, 4 mobile phones, cash and weapons. They used master keys for their crimes. Data police also arrested a woman named Razia who attempted to abduct a 3-year-old girl. The child Javeria was visiting the shrine with her mother. The suspect tried to escape with the child, but the police, acting on the mother report, quickly intervened and safely recovered the girl.